Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to video scheduler internal error in Windows 10 computer. This error is a BSOD, that is blue screen of death, and it is occurring because of many reasons: software issues, hardware issues, if there are any driver issues on your computer, or if there are any malwares installed on your computer, if there are any viruses installed on your computer. So to troubleshoot this issue, first of all you have to right click on start and then go to settings. In the settings you would find update and security over here. Just click on update and security and click on Windows security over here. Then click on open Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. So scan options, click on scan options, full scan, and then scan now. So we are just scanning if there are any viruses installed or if there are any malwares or adwares, something like that, which is causing this issue. And once this scan is finished, it would give you the results and you can just quarantine those viruses and then check if the issue is resolved or not. So this is Nilesh Kamble, and please hit the like button if you like the video. Please hit the subscribe if you're new to this channel. So if this method doesn't work for you, just right click on start menu and then go to device manager. In the device manager, click on display adapters, expand display adapters and click on over here. So you would find something like Nvidia graphics card or Intel HD graphics card, or if you have Radeon graphics card, then you will find Radeon drivers over here. So just right click on those and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and then it would start searching the drivers on your computer, and then it would give you results like the best drivers for your device are already installed. So I'm just going to close this out. If you want to check for latest updates, latest drivers, then you can just click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update and it would take you to Windows Update page to install Windows updates and latest drivers on your computer. So you can just try this step as well. I'm just minimizing this. If this step is completed, restart the computer and then check if the issue is resolved or not. After rebooting the computer, if the issue is still not resolved, then right click on this and then click on uninstall device. So this option should be checked because we have to install the new driver software on this device and then click on uninstall. So if you have Nvidia graphics card, you have to install Nvidia drivers. If you have Intel HD graphics card, it would automatically take from the computer. If you have Radeon graphics card, you have to install Radeon graphics card. So the device is currently uninstalled and now it is showing me the basic display drivers. So Microsoft basic display driver is currently installed to show me the screen. So I'm just going to close this. For me, I have to reinstall VM tools. So I'm going to reinstall the VM tools to get this screen back in the proper resolution. So I'm going to reinstall VM tools, but you have to install drivers for your device. For Nvidia graphics card, you have to install Nvidia drivers. If you have Radeon graphics card, you have to install Radeon drivers. So you can see now it is giving me correct resolution, and if I show you, then proper device drivers are installed on this computer. So you can see VMware SVGA 3D drivers are installed on this computer. So it is giving me proper resolution. So if this method doesn't works for you, then right click on start menu and then go to settings. Go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, or if you have any latest updates pending to install on your computer, just install those updates, because sometimes there are software conflicts and because of that your computer stops working, or because of that it gives blue screen of death. So install Windows updates and update your computer to latest ones. So I hope this video will help you out to resolve this issue. If you have any issues, if you have any questions, you can just comment down in the comment box and ask me questions. So thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.